My uncle, my father's eldest brother, Camilo Menezes, who died around 10-12 years ago. So what happened was when my father published this book, his book of poetry, Zoitani Her Kavita, it was under the Goa Kogni's financial assistance.
For the first author?
For the first
book?
No, not for the first
book.
Because this was the second book. Some financial scheme, and so that due to this scheme, he had to give around 50 copies to the academy. So when he went there to give, he ran into this Brazin Soares. And Brazin Soares incidentally was a reader of my uncle, who when he was 18 or 19, like my age, he used to write for this paper, Portuguese Konkani weekly called A Bangwarda, and the Konkani section was edited by Prabhakar Tendulkar, who is now in Mapsa. So he came home and he told us about it, and at that time I was about to answer my 12th boards, and I said, okay, after I finish it and to kill time in the holidays, I'll go to the central library. And so I went and I found these volumes of A Bangwarda, and I brought everything, including his poems, his articles and his short stories. So initially we had 9 short stories, and so we zeroed in on 8. And this was published as Noshimad Nirmilele Ani Her Kavita, because the title lead story is Reed and the longest is Noshimad Nirmilele.
Destined by fate.
Sorry?
Destined by fate.
Yeah, I mean it's created by fate. So it's around 100-page book. And,
but what was interesting was how you found, you were not aware of it.
It was like
you were not aware
that. I mean, that's what I always say.
You were not aware that he had written so much.
He used to never tell us that. He told no one. We knew that he used to write.
Yeah.
Theatre जायते बरेले एक दोन theatre बरेले जे गावातूच जाल्ले. But apart from that, he used to never said that I used to write and my work was published in such and such newspaper. And I don't think so. He kept even the cuttings, or even if there are, but of course, I did write an article about it in Gomantak Times. Even you mentioned it in your column. If anyone is interested, I can email it to you. Just drop in your email addresses. I'll oblige. No problem.
Now the book is out of print. At least make a digital copy of it.
Yeah. No, definitely. We have it, and we want to make it because a friend of mine had come earlier this week, and he's actually doing his PhD in IIT Powai in anthropology, and so he wanted it, and I was at a loss to give him copies, and finally I could find some and gave it. So if there is a PDF, I think it will help. No doubt.